Hello everyone, welcome to Eshaan Medias. Today in this video, I am going to show you the benefits of flaxseed gel for hair and skin. To prepare flaxseed gel, here I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of flax seeds, 1 spoon to stir it and some quantity of water. Flaxseed gel can be applied both on hair and skin. It strengthens the hair follicles because they are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. They also nourishes the hair follicles and hair shafts and make hair stronger. Let's start the process of making flaxseed gel. Here I have taken empty bowl. Now I am adding seeds to it and I'll pour little amount of water to it. Add about 200 ml of water to 2 to 3 tablespoons of flax seeds. Remember to stir often to ensure that seeds doesn't stick to the bottom. This gel can be applied as face mask for skin whitening because it contains antioxidants, vitamins, omega-3, 6, 9 fatty acids. It also removes skin tan, dark spots and acne, and it is an excellent anti-wrinkle agent. Remember to stir often to ensure that seeds doesn't stick to the bottom. This recipe leaves your curls fluffy, soft and flake-free. To get natural curls, apply this gel after you shampooing your hair and detangle it. So this is how our gel look like, and you can use a strainer to strain the gel or you can use a thick muslin cloth. Now I am not using anything, I am just straining like that. Here I didn't strain the gel because I love to use as it is. I'll blend it and use it as hair mask. If you want, you can add essential oil of your choice to your gel to avoid the smell. And here is the gel we prepared. It is like mucus and it should not be too thicky, too runny. Now I am transferring the gel to container and you can keep in refrigerator for 1 week to 10 days. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe Eshaan Medias.